I got a package that I ordered from eBay, and I'll open it. See what it is. I notice prices on eBay sometimes are more than what you can get them off the actual site. So you gotta do a price comparison. Bear with me. Oh, I'm doing this with one hand. I got a tripod ordered, and it's going to come in Sunday. Ta-da! There it is. 24 piece metric, shallow and deep. Part number is 224SFFSM. Brand new. Now I have this set used. When I bought a set of these, I bought them used. But as I'm getting closer to retirement, and now I'm making pretty good money. So when I get close to retirement, I won't be able to just go out and buy this kind of stuff. It's replacing this set over here. But I do have on Craigslist and this is a used set that I bought off of eBay. It served its purpose. It served me well, and like I said, now I got new. Quick shot of my Epic 68 inch Epic. So I just wanted to make this video real fast.